Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to unbox Billions mixer grinder, which is having a wattage capacity of 750 watts. So here's the box with Billion branding. Review it on Flipkart, like the product. Then over this side some information, color and other things. Then made in India, made for India from Billion. And then here 2 years warranty with service at home. So let's read some of the features. Powerful 750 watt motor for tough grinding. Hope you all can see. Then it's latent transluminary mic, tracking easy, flow breakers for better mixing, highly durable, full ABS body, long lasting, thicker jars. So let's just open this guy up. Okay, so so let me just so so here's a warranty card. Basically only shows some warranty information. Then another box. So this box basically contains all three lids, so and that spatula slash knife, whatever. So let's just keep this aside. Then on the left side we do have some jars. There are basically three jars, 1 2 3. Let's keep them also aside. Then over here we are having the main unit, that is the mixer grinder. So here is the mixer grinder from Billion. Too much of plastic packaging. So it's also having some suctions, and here's the switch like 0 1 2 3 and 4, like that. So here's the main unit. Then let's have a look at the jars. So here are the three jars. Oh nice, this is having 6 plates, the largest jar. Then we do get the chutney jar, which is also having sharp 4 plates. Then we also having a medium jar for regular curry making, and this is having 2 blades. Okay, not an issue. So this is the standard lid which we get. So let me just show it. So this do have some suction capacity, and okay, so this is how this jar basically looks. So let me just show it to you people. Chutney jar. Okay, chutney jar. Then let's go to the top frame and remove all the plastic packaging. Then we get all the jars. Let's just check all the jar fittings. So this, like this. Okay, so second jar. So all jar. So this is basically a good looking mixer grinder which is having home service and 2 years warranty. So peace off that. Peace off.